Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be my 10th results and mistakes you should avoid in 10th standard, which I did, and I want you all not to repeat these mistakes. So let's start with my results. So my 10th results has already came, you all know. So it's 91%, to be more precise, 90.6% is what I scored in my 10th standard. And let's begin to the next part. Okay, so one of the most asked questions is like when you should start for your 10th standard. So to be more precise, like for the actual boards, when you start practicing your PYQs, when you're doing previous year questions, solving question papers, that you should do after your midterm exams. But for studying, like continuous study and starting the self study part, you should start it from the from when your academic year is started. Start studying, be consistent in your studies. So with this comes the first mistakes, which is to be consistent for the whole year. So what happened with me was like I started to study in May month, but as the June started, I started avoiding my studies. So you have to be consistent, studying regularly, like set a time lot for you. Like I used to study just 1.5 hour. You can like decide how much time you can study. So till May month, till my midterms when it was coming, I was just studying 2 hours, 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So you can decide according to you. Self study is a very important factor in 10th standard, because if you're going to coaching classes, they are not going to like तुम्हारे दिमाग में वो घोर के नहीं तुमको दे देंगे. So you should do it for yourself. Going to the second mistakes, not making self notes. So making notes is one of the very important factor in 10th standard, but if you are using notes or from online apps or from anybody else, you are not gonna get the same results if you use your own notes. Making notes, you can refer to anyone's notes, but making your own notes will help you a lot. Open your NCERT book, start writing, mark in your textbook. Like साल खत्म होते होते तुम्हारी टेक्स्ट बुक को देख के लगना चाहिए हाँ पढ़ाई की है. सो यू कैन ट्राई दिस. Third mistake is practicing questions. So for the maths or for the physics, practicing questions can play a very important factor in scoring marks. Cause like in science, physics, chemistry, bio has 30 marks and chemistry, physics has less marks. But to score in physics, you should be very like consistent about practicing questions of physics numericals. So you that can be scoring for you. You can set an amount like every day one question of physics you can solve, 5 questions, 10 questions, anything which you are comfortable, but set a target for yourself that every day you will solve only one question. Take a previous year book question, start with first chapter, solve a question, and it's done. So one question, 2 questions, 5 questions, anything you are comfortable with. Next mistake number 4 is not solving previous year questions. For the maths, if you are taking standard, you have to do very hard work for the maths. But yeah, like if you're taking basic NCERT is enough, and practice some MCQs before going to exams. And if you're taking standard maths, you have to practice a lot of previous year questions, because the questions come from NCERT, but mostly no need to refer R.D. Sharma or R.S. Agarwal. There are many books who give you important questions from R.D. Sharma and R.S. Agarwal itself. So you should not have to refer to the book. But if you are done with your studies and you have time, go ahead and do R.D. Sharma and R.S. Agarwal for maths. Next mistake is not revising. So revising your syllabus can be a game changer for your results. Okay, so if you are studying from now, like from May month, you're consistent for your studies till December or till November, be complete with your syllabus and start revising. The number of revision you are done with, the number of confidence you should gain. Like at a point you would be so sure about yourself that you will know I will score this much marks. So till that point, revise. Like revision can be, don't wait for the revision to be done at ended. आखिरी तक मत रुको. Like in the very start, if you are done with first chapter, after a week revise that chapter. So revision is very good thing. And like for 10th standard, revise everything 10 times, 100 times. जितना रिविजन कर सकते हो उतना अच्छा है तुम्हारे लिए. लास्ट, डोंट टेक अननेसेसरी स्ट्रेस. With a caution, it doesn't let you study or it doesn't let you focus on your studies. So this is one of the huge mistakes I have done in my 10th standard. Was like in the month of December I was taking a lot of unnecessary stress, which was not needed at that point, but I was taking a lot of stress. Stress is good at till a point. There is a boundary till which stress is good. It can be helpful, but after that, if you can't study, if that stress is not letting you to focus on your studies, it's not good. So maintain your mental health. 10th standard is a मतलब बहुत छोटी क्लास है. इट्स ओके इफ यू डोंट स्टडी बेस्ट, और अगर रिजल्ट अच्छे नहीं आए कोई बात नहीं, but if you can start now, you have a lot of time, like a lot of time to score great in boards. So yeah, this was all. This was the mistakes you should avoid in your 10th standard, and best of luck for your 10th standard. Or you can watch this video for like if you're going to give 12th board also, it will be helpful. Thank you, and the next video is going to be coming tomorrow, when I'm going to start like first vlog of my 11th standard. It is going to be a study vlog. So yeah, bye bye, thank you.